Today, we're moving past the random button era of AI music. Suno AI just dropped their new Cover Stems update, and it completely changes how we produce tracks. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete workflow of making a multi-track arrangement from scratch using this Cover Stem feature. So, let's get into it. Here we are in the Suno Studio. The first thing I need to do is set the foundation. I'm going to go down to the project settings and adjust the manual BPM to 170 to set it as the overall consistent BPM of the project. And also, I'm going to enable the metronome right here. Since I'm about to record a live instrument, I need that click in my ears so I don't go off beat. Now let's get some audio in here. I've got my acoustic guitar plugged in and I'm just going to record a simple rhythmic strumming pattern. Hit the record button and here we go. Let's play it back. Well, it's not perfect, but hopefully it will get the job done. So we got the stem, it's time to create the cover. Let's select the track we just recorded, and below I'm going to select guitar as the instrument. For the style, I will type electric guitar strum, and I'm going to hit the cover button. Remember, I recorded from an acoustic guitar, and here asked to give an electric guitar cover, and here we are with the outcome. Let's listen to it. Yeah, that's good and mostly right, but I feel like there were some instances that the cover was off the beat. So let's check out the other generated version. Yes, we all know that Suno usually generates 2 outcomes when prompted, and it's the same here in the studio as well. I'm going to click the drop down here and we can see all the versions created for this track. As you can see, there are 2 different tracks here named version 3, and one of them has been selected by default and on the main timeline. So let's listen to the other version to see if it aligns better. It's good, but I think I would still prefer the main version, so let's move forward with it. Okay, so I'm going to do some adjustments, trim some segments that I felt off, and position them back using the split tool on the timeline. And here is the final version after the adjustments. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, so let's move forward with it. Okay, now we have our electric guitar stem cover. Next, let's create some drums. For that, I'm going to get a new track on the Suno Studio timeline and record something again. We are going with the same defined BPM of 170, and I have the metronome enabled to guide me on the beat. So let's do it. We have our recording, so I'm going to select the instrumental here as drums, and in the style prompt I will type soft drums brushed snare, and hit the cover button, and here we have our drum cover stem. Let's hear it together. That sounds good, but it's not perfect. So just like before, let's check out the alternate version that was generated alongside this. Actually, this alternate version sounds much better aligned with our main beat. I want to go with this version, so we need to replace this one instead as the default main version. You can do this by clicking this copy to main track button, or simply drag this into the main timeline. Let's listen to it. I love that opening roll, so let's see if I can use it a bit differently. Here is the adjusted version. I have the opening roll coming in a bit later from the next bar, and some brushing before that. Cool, right? Okay, now let's get some bass in here. Click on Add Track again for a new track, and I'm going to record again, this time a little melody that will be suitable for the bass.
Da, 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 da,
Okay, it seems that we have a slight lag in my microphone, so let's adjust it slightly to align with the drum beat opening. Now our recording is ready to cover, so I'm going to select bass. In style, I'm going to type bass with simple jazz notes and hit cover. Here we are. Let's hear it. It's good and bouncy, but again slightly misaligned. Just like before, I'm going to check out the alternate version. Yeah, that feels like the better generation for me. So let's go with this one. Let's hear it with the drums. And now, all together. That's a good structure. I feel like some backing vocals will bring the icing on the cake. So let's add a new track again, and I'm gonna sing a tune for the recording. Okay, recording is done. Now I'm going to select backing vocals and type in layered vocals SATB as the style prompt. Select our recording and hit the cover button. Again, I'm going to check out the alternate version to see if it's better than the default generation. This female backing vocals sound more consistent than the main default when played on its own. Let's check it out all together. No, it's completely off. That's too bad. So I'm going to stick with our main track for this part. Here is our overall project, now with backing vocals. Okay, now we have the cover stems of guitar, drums, bass, and backing vocals. For some contrast, let's try one more. Strings. I'm going to go ahead and record another humming into my mic. Just like before, I'm going to select the strings as the instruments, and for the style, I'm going to simply type soft violin and hit the cover button. Here we go. It sounds good enough, but let's check out the alternative as well. This is different, but still good. Let's hear it together with our main track with a little positioning. Yeah, it's good. So I selected it as our default. So let's listen to what we have now. That's pretty good, I think. But we have that drum roll in the middle, so I'm going to trim that part out from the guitar stem so that the drum roll gets a bit more popped in the mix. I will reduce the gain of backing vocals and the strings a bit for a finishing touch. And here we are with our final version. Yeah, happy with this. We started from a blank project and now have 5 different tracks on our timeline, all working in harmony. The big lesson here is that Suno isn't just a song generator anymore. It's a tool that lets you be the boss of a virtual band. You provide the heart and the rhythm, and Suno provides the instruments and the polish. Instead of just clicking generate and hoping for a good song, try using your voice and your instruments to lead the AI. Thanks for hanging out with me in the studio today. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more like this. And now it's your turn. Go see what kind of a band you can put together.